Okay, so big shout out to all our FN2 followers. We love you guys. Thanks for following us and stuff. Here's some more interesting stuff for you. You've got a FN2 Civic, and the only modification between these two runs is the Japspeed Manifold, which we sell and love. Yeah, okay, and as you can see from the red line, which is before the Japspeed Manifold, and the blue line, which is after, we've made power right across the rev range. We made nearly 20 brake horsepower in the bang in the middle of that graph, and overall I think we made about 8 brake horsepower peak. So as you can see, before the Japspeed Manifold was 202 brake, and after the Japspeed Manifold 210. Just bolt-ons, no mapping, nothing. That's just showing what a restriction the original cat is. So there you go, that's well worth the money in my opinion. Like I say guys, thanks to all those FN2 owners that support us on the channel. We're going to keep making content like this for you guys, so do give us a thumbs up and drop some comments below, say hello, let us know that you guys are there. We appreciate it. Speak to you soon. Cheers guys.